Hi everyone. In today's video, I'm going to discuss about writing a C program to count the number of digits in an integer. So before coming to today's topic, I just want to tell you guys that if you guys like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any questions, then let me know in the comment section. Now let us start our discussion. So first, let me write the output of this program. When this program gets executed, it asks user to enter a number 1, 2, 3. Now this number contains 3 digits, so this program should show me an output as count is 3. This should be the output. Okay, so as you can see here, I'm expecting a number from the user. So in our program, to store this value, I need to create an integer variable num. Okay, now how I can count the number of digits in 1, 2, 3? So the logic is we need to keep on dividing this number by 10 until this value becomes 0, and at the same time we will be maintaining a counter variable which will store the number of times this number gets divided by 10. With that, I will come to know the count. Let me just write down here. First time when I will be dividing 1, 2, 3 by 10, I will be getting 12, and at the same time I will increment the value of count. Initially I will set the count value to 0, and first time when I divide this 1, 2, 3 by 10, I will get 12, and at that time I will also increment the value of count. Now count will become 1. Okay. Next, in second iteration, I will try to divide 12 by 10 and I will get 1, and at the same time I will increment the value of count, and now count will become 2. Then again I will divide 1 by 10 and I will get 0.1. Again the count gets incremented by 1 and I will get the count value as 3. Now we will check. Now you can see initially the value of num was 1, 2, 3, and now the value of num gets changed to 0.1. Since we are dealing with integer, so we will consider only this part and we will leave this. Okay, now num variable contains the value 0. So when the value of num becomes 0, we'll just stop this process and we will print this value, count equals to 3. So how we can write this in the form of a pseudo code? While num is not equals to 0, num is equals to num by 10 and count plus plus. If we use do while, then the same code will be changed to do while num is not equals to 0 semicolon, okay, then num equals to num by 10 and count plus plus. Now I will just use this logic to write a C program to count the digits in a number. Now I need to declare the variables. Since I am using num variable and I am also using count variable, count equals to 0. Now I need to print that message enter any number using the printf output function, and now I will read that number using scanf input function num. Now I will use do while loop, do and then while num is not equals to 0 and then semicolon. Okay, so whenever we will be using do while, we need to close this while with the semicolon. Now I will divide num by 10 and then count plus plus. When the value of num becomes 0, count variable will have the value 3 for this number. And now I will printf count is %d count. Then now return 0 closed flower bracket. So that's all for this video, guys. If you guys like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any questions, then let me know in the comment section. And thanks for watching.